What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who's ready to party? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. Ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or on some Hogworks gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, it is a Friday evening. We are heading up to Seacoast Harley, and that is because they are having their first bike night of 2026. There is supposed to be a bunch of stuff going on up there. I think they claimed a DJ. They've got a whole biker build-off thing that's going on this year, and some of those builders are going to be up there. I'm not sure if they're going to have any of the bikes they've been working on for the competition or if they're just hanging out. Overall, it's just a good excuse to get out of the house, see what's going on, hobnob, rub elbows, whatever, go see some other people, some other bikers, and, you know, just have a good night. So hang with me, we're gonna go check it out. It has been raining off and on all day. If you look, like, the roads are still wet. It was actually supposed to stop raining this morning. It is almost 5 o'clock at night right now, and we've just been getting these weird scattered showers, even though the sun is out. Like, the sun's right there. It's out, and we're getting scattered showers. So, I don't know. I don't know what the turnout's gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna get stuck in some rain. Whatever. Let's do this together, shall we? Let's go. All right, all. Here's your daily PSA. Don't forget to support your single mothers and college students when you get the chance. Oh man. And of course, if you're gonna support your local single mothers and college students, you should also support your local farmers and gardeners because they need your support as well. All right, all, we are just about there, and there's a lot of cops. Maybe this was just like a secret, like, let's go arrest people raid or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out in a minute, won't we? Oh boy. I'm gonna be a dick and just cut through here. Whee! Cool, let's go check out what's going on inside.
Seacoast Harley-Davidson Bike Night. Let's go! Cold beer flowing. Cold beer flowing. Let's go! Barbecue smokers loaded. Let's go! Custom motorcycles. Let's go! A dyno contest to test your horsepower. Let's go! Seacoast Harley Bike Night. Bringing it all together. This is how we throw down. Seacoast Harley Bike Night. Those cops aren't here for me, right? Seacoast Harley-Davidson Bike Night. Let's go! Cold beer flowing. Cold beer flowing. Let's go! Barbecue smokers loaded. Let's go! Custom motorcycles. Let's go! A
always fun to see other people's bikes and see how they customize them and, you know, get some ideas. Always some ideas. Harley Bike Nights are fun because they just welcome everything. I'm sure you saw it in the scroll there. I mean, there's Indians, Can-Ams, all kinds of stuff here. It doesn't matter. There's actually a sport bike over there at Kawasaki that's lining up to do the horsepower challenge on the trailer. It's just a cool time to, everyone comes together, they all ride, Harley or not, and yeah.
All right, let's get some last looks, shall we? A pretty sick night. I'd say it's successful on Seacoast's part. Whee! One last look at all the bikes, and then let's head out. Definitely having it well organized too. Oh man, that's super well organized. They even have the cops stopping traffic for me. I love this. Yeah, that was cool. Good turnout, and if you're in the area, Seacoast is doing these once a month, starting this month, all the way through the summer. You're looking for a ride, you're looking for a place to hang out, looking for all the stuff you just saw in this video, come on up, check it out. It's a good time. It's definitely cool, and like I said, doesn't even matter if you're on a Harley. Saw all kinds of bikes up there. There's definitely Kawasaki's, you had some tricycles, Can-Ams, stuff like that, like Indians. They don't care. They just want riders, they want bikers up there, and they just want to hang out with everyone. There is a small tattoo booth going on as well. I was gonna do some video of that, but you know, dude was in the chair and stuff, so yeah, whatever. But yeah, that was cool. I dug it. I'm going to try and make it up for the next one as well. But what'd you guys think? Sound off in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know is like, oh, I'm in the New England area and I just wish I had a place to hang out with like-minded bikers. There you go. Loves the stuff, trust me. I'll see y'all on the flip side.